Here I'm going to discuss the difference between process parameters and sample statistics. Now, when you read a statistics textbook or anywhere else like on the web, you might see the use of the word population parameter. Now, what they're describing there is the true value. There is a true value for, let's say, the population mean, and that's called a parameter. Now, in our world, it's probably more applicable for us to use the word process instead of population, because we're not really talking about, population of people in a country. And as noted by the International Standards Organization, here's a quote: "A population can be the result of an ongoing process that may include future output." So the convention that's typically used, and you may see this in statistics reports, if there's a population parameter, remember that's the true value, then we use lowercase Greek letters. For example, mu to represent the population mean and sigma to represent the population standard deviation. Now, sample statistics, these are symbolized by uppercase Latin letters like a capital S for the sample standard deviation. When you go out there and you calculate the results using real data, then we say that the sample standard deviation from those realized values is lowercase s. We use lowercase Latin letters in that situation. So the difference, what is the difference between a parameter and a statistic? Like I've said, a parameter is the true value. For example, there is a true average height, mu, of an American male aged 20. Right here, right now, as you're listening to this, there is a true average height. But that's a really large population size. So it's not really feasible for me to find out exactly what that value is. If, however, we're addressing a process and these results are becoming continuously available, we know that there is a true average value out there, but we're not really going to be able to get it. But I want to get a good idea of what it will be. We estimate a parameter by calculating a statistic. Okay, so a statistic comes from a sample, and we use that statistic to estimate the true value, which is the parameter. Now, in the world of statistics, we use the word parameter in this very strict sense. It's the true value that's out there that's going to be estimated by a sample statistic.